How to change Amazon seller subscription. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your Amazon seller subscription plan. So first of all, just simply log into your Amazon Seller Central account and just log in with your credentials. And as soon as you log into your account, you will be landed to the home screen of your Amazon Seller Central account. And in order to change your subscription plan, you first need to go to the subscription page of the Amazon Seller account. So it says that there are two types of plan in the Amazon Seller account. So there is individual one and there is professional one. So in the individual one, you have to pay this much for per item sold, and in the professional one you have to pay this much for per item monthly. So, and you can also read through this plan and what all and everything that it includes. So the individual plan, you will sell fewer than 40 units a month, and you are still deciding what to sell. So you don't want to advertise the plan and the things that you are selling. But in the professional one, you will be selling more than 40 units a month, and you want to advertise your products, and you also want to quantify for top placement on the product detail page, and you also want to use advanced selling tools like APIs and reports. So the plan basically will depends on your requirement. So just make sure that your requirements are clear, and whenever criteria that you fits in, whether individual or professional, just go for the plans accordingly. And you can also see the planning features over here, and you can see the checklist, and just read through all of this. And after that, just simply click on sign up with individual if you want to opt for the individual subscription plan, and you can click on the sign up for professional if in case you want to sign up for the professional subscription plan in the Amazon seller. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to change Amazon seller subscription. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.